Sunlight spills through wide windows, bathing the room in a soft golden glow that highlights every detail of the modern living space. At the center sits a vintage typewriter, its round, glossy keys gleaming with a timeless charm. Gathered around it are several American Wirehair cats, their distinctive wiry, springy fur shimmering as they move with curious grace. One adventurous cat reaches out a delicate paw, tapping a key and delighting in the satisfying clack that echoes softly. Drawn by the sound, another cat eagerly joins in, batting at the keys and sending a gentle ripple through the row. Their expressive amber eyes widen with fascination, each new sound sparking bursts of playful energy. The room soon fills with lively chaos as the cats chase the moving keys, leap onto the table, and mischievously knock over a small stack of papers. Their human companions laugh warmly, gently petting the cats and sharing in the joyful moment. The cats pause briefly to nuzzle their owners, soaking in the affection before returning to their newfound favorite toy. Every whisker twitch and mischievous glance reveals their unique personalities, making the scene both heartwarming and full of spirited charm.